Alright, so here we have a self-seal. The AC lines are wide open, so and of course either them or someone else tried to seal this with your basic foam, and you know, that's tissue right there. No effort. Look, pinky. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and I'm gonna seal this proper. So as you can see here, we have the AC line is properly sealed now, and no longer that soft stuff that they could easily chew through. And then we look right here, and the crawl space vent is now screened off and sealed around the edges. Different crawl space vents require different types of seal. It really depends on the type of crawl space vent that it is. But we have multiple crawl space vents across the house, and we're going to have to do that all the way around. And then also ridge fence next.